in about a couple of weeks. Ain't it crazy how we always matching, y'all?
Right.
I think I see it.
I think
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7.
How you feeling?
my feet hurts a little bit, but
other than that,
I'm shrimp.
Right. I haven't had seafood
in about a couple of weeks. Ain't it crazy how we always matching, y'all?
Right.
I think I see it.
This is what I'm talking about. We got something like that downtown. Well, it is that, but it's not like that.
Oh, y'all see where we at with it. Hi, N Juicy. And then right across the street is Vita.
I wonder what's up there.
I don't know. It's sugar. Not sure what that is.
Do they got adios?
Okay, you guys, we are about to choose. We're waiting on the waiter to come back because he's checking to see if the sausages are beef or pork, because you guys know we don't eat pork. So,
Okay. Okay, yeah, what kind of sauce?
y'all put, so I'm assuming a medium.
No. We can do the hot and juicy, spicy.
Hot, them two?
Yeah.
Or you want to do the hot and juicy? So can we get the get your feet wet bag? Hot and juicy, spicy.
And then can you add on?
Wait. Before we move on, can you bag up the sausages separately from the bag?
Yes.
And also,
Can you add a half shrimp?
Half pound shrimp?
Yeah.
Juicy spicy as well?
no.
No?
Oh.
We could do that flavor. Juicy Cajun.
What do you want to try later? Yeah, just Cajun.
We're gonna do that juicy Cajun.
Spicy?
No, medium.
Medium? Okay. And it will come in a separate bag, okay?
Okay. And also, can we have?
The snow crab legs.
Yeah, seasoning and spice.
Can you put it in with the half shrimp?
It'll all come in its own bag.
Okay.
They're separate.
Can we do the garlic butter for the snow crab?
In-house spicy for that one.
Mild.
Mild?
And then the green mussels.
And we can do. I got the shrimp. For the green mussels, we can do.
You want to try juicy cajun? Yeah.
We can do the Louisiana.
And then how spicy for that one?
Mild.
Mild. Okay. Anything else to do?
That'll be it.
I have to get your feet wet. Hot and juicy spicy. We got the sausage on that side, right?
Yes.
Pound of green mussels, Louisiana meat, snow crab, garlic butter, mild, and half And the shrimp is head on peeling. Is that okay? As well with the crawfish.
Can you take the heads off the shrimp?
Unfortunately, not in here.
That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Anything else besides water?
I think it's been longer than 2 months since we posted a video. This move was crazy. It was last minute. I'm sorry if it's loud in here, guys. And I do feel like it's loud, so I might just get back to you guys when our food comes. Okay, so we have 2 of our bags out. The juicy Cajun medium shrimp, head on, tail on. And then these are the green lip mussels, Louisiana mouth. Look how huge they are. Go ahead and open it, baby. Open it so I can show that I'm filming. We only got a couple. I'm gonna get another thing of lemons because, like I said, we made our lemon salt and pepper dip. So, oh y'all. Look at that. That's seasoning. Pull out a shrimp so I can show you. Turn it around. Here goes our get your feet wet bag. Ooh, that sauce is so good. Sister, grab that. So we can show that bag. Ooh, this is gonna be a bomb vlog.
You go like that. That's it.
I hate her. Okay, you guys, like this is real good.
The garlic in here smells so bomb. Get a whiff of that.
Y'all see that?
Ooh, I wish I could eat that.
And then my sister got put the lemons, maybe. Put the sauces. It's okay.
Did I touch you though?
No.
I didn't. I got so scared. I don't know why. Yo, my sister big on her clothes.
What a lemon?
I'm about to give it all to you guys.
The lemon and salt? Make sure it's in there.
Yeah.
I gotta get this on salt.
And I gotta get a thumbnail. So we really can't eat until I'm done with my thumbnail.
What else is my food?
Here's to try it. You tell me. What is?
Yes. It's
On
a
the
bomb, yep.
Yeah.
All over that food. Did you enjoy yourself? Your mouth burning? Your mouth burning? My mouth burning? You see that? Baby? Hold on, baby. You know the food was good. This area is so pretty, guys. So much sightseeing to do.
Fat Tuesdays.
stadium is over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, you guys can. There's the stadium. This is the hotel room. This is the Renaissance. Wish we could. I need to go get me another part for my tripod. I'm not even supposed to have the phone in my hand.
Turn it off.
No, I just want to give them a clear little nice view of today's little vloggity vlog.
Mom, we already got some.
Well, look at
Mom
this
done
one.
found the other jackfruit.
No, I'm not, but I can show it. I'm not against
Cantaloupe.
These are some jackfruit that's already
We
peeled
see
and
Mimi
stuff.
eating these.
And then I've been wanting to try these because they look really
They got
bomb.
like white flesh stuff inside.
It's like a clear ball and it's really juicy. It's fruit.
Oh, they got coconuts.
Yeah, we're gonna check out all the owls.
I've been in one of these stores, y'all. It's frozen.
Oh my god.
I'll get a small one.
The durian. Ew. Yeah, I'm trying to get the smallest one as possible because I never had this before and I know we're not going to really eat it like that. So I'm going to try to get a smaller
And
one.
we heard they nasty.
I heard the smell. Okay, yeah, now you guys can get a better view. So we got some catfish nuggets. We got some jackfruit cut up already. Babe just got some mochi. I'm not sure how to pronounce it and I'm not gonna try, but shout out to Mimi because I've seen her eating this on her YouTube channel and oh my god, look at the durian with the light on it. Like, come on. And then these are bigger.
I do want to check out some of these things over here. We got the fish balls, fried fish balls, lobster balls. Okay. Look at that. They got the whole clams. They even got the baby clams. They got some mussels. Okay, they got some, I've never had mussels like this, like off the shore or whatever. We are going down the little aisle as well, because we got some look at all the different types of shrimp. Head-on shrimp. I'm not sure I've never even seen these.
Okay, so we are currently in the noodle aisle now. Let's go down. Wow, they have so many different types. I mean, I'm assuming this is like maybe the noodles that you would use for the pho or maybe something like that. Some noodles that I will be trying. I've already had those noodles. This one say volcano chicken noodles. Where would I be able to get the black bean noodles from? Got 'em! I'm not sure if this is the exact brand, but yeah. These are the black bean noodles that I have been looking for. And then they have boxes of the single packed noodles for a bomb price. Wow, 50 cents. Come on now. Come on now. And then these are like different flavors of the. I'm opening it. You can't wait, huh?
Just try to look. Come on, man.
We got our durian fruit. I don't know if y'all can see it through the bags. I got the black bean noodles.